Hi, fellows, and welcome back again in another idea. So again, we are looking at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just giving us a pullback, the pullback we were looking for in in our last idea. So pullback and that pullback. So we are having that pullback, the pullback we were looking for, and correction we were looking for in our last idea. Yeah, this pullback is just coming over there. Very nice pullback. So looks like slightly aggressive to the downside. People are worried about the Bitcoin currently because we are having some news events on the Bitcoin and they are taking off their money ahead of those events. But this is creating an opportunity for those who completely missed the move, the previous moves. Yeah, so we can see that correction is just coming over there, the correction we were anticipating in our last idea. This is the correction, yeah, the correction which we were anticipating in our last idea. Yeah, so the previous was what previous correction was that. If you fellows have seen the previous idea, then you understand. Yes, previous correction was that. So this is slightly bigger than that correction, but it is giving us a clear confirmation on lower time frame that yes, sellers are struggling to the downside. Sellers are struggling to the downside. So very soon, once you're gonna see that the event's gonna be over on the Bitcoin, it will start to continue to the upside. Yep. So it is creating an opportunity for buyers. Yeah. So the move we are looking for is the same move. The target is same to the 20. Yeah. Target is to the 20. $20,000. Right. So currently price was testing at the 12,800 according to this Bitstamp. Yeah, according to this chart. So volatility is still there, very strong volatility is there at the top. Billions are just coming in and getting out. People are taking their money off. So previously it was when we were somewhere here at the top, close to the 16 or 7 close to the 16,000 area. The market cap was close to the 280 billion. So after that, when we were anticipating correction, market cap was close to the when we were anticipating that correction. So market cap was close to the 280 billion. So after that, market cap is just declining, and currently it is close to 230 billion. So people are worried about their investment on the Bitcoin, but this is creating an opportunity for those who were not there from the previous correction. All right, so let's look at the lower time frame, how we can get into the market and how we can grab this opportunity for upside. Okay, so we are looking for this to continue up to the $20,000. Make sure the target we are looking for up to the $20,000. Yeah. So we are having this correction. Correction is forming wedge, falling wedge. The pattern we are having is falling wedge. Yeah, so we bought this when it was at this area. We bought this for short term for upside, and we were looking for breakout of that top. We were looking for breakout of that top. We haven't got the breakout. We have taken our profit. Now we are looking for this to buy again. We bought from that bottom as well. Now we were looking for breakout of that area as well. Yeah, so some of fellows, those who are not familiar with this, with the pattern, how to trade within these patterns, simply you just need to look at the buy whenever price is just hitting to the new lows or hitting to the lower trend lines. Watch for buy, and if price give you a clue, bounce back, aggressive bounce back, for give you a clue for bounce back or impulsive move from lower trend line, just simply buy that and watch it to give you a breakout of the upper channel line or wedge line for continuation to the upside. Yeah, so we are currently having this continuation formation on lower time frame. Yeah, so if price is going to break down, so it looks like we are having flag or flat channel continuation to the downside. Yeah, so If it is going to break down, watch it, watch this low for buy. Yeah, for buy, that's going to be the trade setup. The trade setup we're going to look for up to the target, going to be up to 20,000. Yeah, so as I said in last idea, the bigger the correction going to give us bigger opportunity to hold the Bitcoin for longer term. Yeah, so you can get into the market, something like that. Yeah, that's going to be the trade for you. So what you need to do once you're going to get into the market, if price test this bottom, yeah, test this bottom, watch it to give you a breakout and continuation like that. Yeah, if it is not going to continue and going to reverse, take off your profit and again get into the market from bottom again. All right, from bottom again, and look for this to continue to the downside. All right, so you're going to get a clear signs that it is not, once price not going to continue, you're going to get a clear sign on your lower time frame close to the upper channel line. Yes, it is not going to continue to the to the upside and going to get down. So you can see over there, it was breaking down, it was breaking down, not going to continue, was giving aggressive breakout to the downside. Yeah, at this area. So similar like that, once you're going to get into the market from the bottom, putting stop loss at your desired area, desired place, or where you see, where you feel that that stop loss is according to your strategy, put stop loss over there and watch it to break out. All right, so the second thing, if we gonna see that price is not going to hit this bottom line, this bottom line, and going to break up, going to break up, going to break above this area aggressively, yeah, going to break above that wedge aggressively. So what you need to do, that you need to get into the market only then, once you're going to see that the breakout is so aggressive for upside, then going to get into the market on a strong breakout and watch it to continue for 20,000. Okay, so that's going to be the trade setup for you. Okay, that's going to be the trade setup for you, like that. All right, so buying at the current price going to be slightly risky at this area on the breakout, going to be slightly risky because it can change the pattern formation. It can break above like that, it can go above and can get down again, can extend the pattern range like that. Yeah, still going to be a continuation formation and can get back again into the pattern formation for at this area. Okay, so for saving yourself from that kind of scenario, what you need to do, you need to keep an eye at the bottom at this area so that you can get a good entry at this area, at the previous low or at the previous channel line. Yeah, so let me show you the example on previous chart so that you can get the idea what you need to do for a good entry. So I was anticipating correction and we were looking for buy, and I think it is not going to open an external page, otherwise it's going to start to record. Yeah, I think it's not going to open that, so I'm sorry I can't show you that image, but that's what you need to do. I hope you got my idea where you need to pay attention. All right, so rather than getting into the market at this area, watch the bottom. All right, this bottom or this previous bottom at this area, so that you can get a good entry. This bottom, this previous bottom, if price do not stop at this area, clearly break down, then lower channel line. Lower channel line for entry, stop placement behind the wherever you want to put your stop loss. Yeah, so once you're gonna get into the market, what you need to do, you need to watch the breakout of this wedge, the wedge which is just forming over there, developing over there. This is a very clear and nice sign that we are going to continue the upside. Yeah, so very nice. Once we're going to see that this the event we are having is going to be finished on the Bitcoin, the future and couple of other events are going to happen over there on the Bitcoin. Once those events gonna be over, then we will see it, the Bitcoin will start to continue. Yeah, so that's the trade setup we are looking for. So very nice correction, and good luck, fellows. Thank you very much for your likes, your comments, and your following. Bye bye.